Okay, this is serious, right? Everyone pay attention. Fuck, marry, kill crows, roosters, bluebirds. Drop it in chat. Fuck, marry, kill crows, roosters, bluebirds. More data on these birds, like how thick they are or what? What kind of data do you need? Fuck, may, kill, cruise. Wait, what the? Oh, you guys. Is there a better way to collate this data? I just might just scroll up. You need more data on the thickness levels, like mega thick. Here's the thing. I think that bluebirds would be that probably. I'd probably marry a bluebird. And no, that's tough. That's tough. Obviously, I'd fuck a rooster. Right? Bluebirds are baddies. They're so pretty, though. Fuck, Mary, she kills crows. Roosters, I got blue balls. Whoa. Triple, dude. Wow. Probably just lost like 80 viewers. Fuck a cocktail. Are you guys even answering this, or are you just making jokes? This is a serious topic right now. Fuck, Mary, she kills crows, roosters, I got blue ball. That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't even make sense. Fuck bluebirds, marry crow, kill rooster. Really? That's interesting. Bluebirds are like the girls next door. Why are you guys all fucking a bluebird? Fuck, Mary, she kills... I keep reading that comment, Triple, and it makes zero sense. Fuck, Mary, she kills crows, roosters, and I got blue balls? Get the fuck out of chat, Triple.
Out of you, I'll ban you from the chat.
This is a serious topic right now, and you're not giving it the respect it deserves.
You'll never come back.
I've read it 3 times. I've read it 3 fucking times, and it hasn't made any more sense to me.
Anyway, it's made up of some of the most amazing equipment.
Okay, here's my answer, right? You guys have given your answer. I appreciate the feedback. You marry a crow. Right? You marry a crow. Why do you do that? They're loyal. Have you seen them in the Discord? They literally don't stop talking about crows. They have an entire channel that is 24/7 spamming crow copy pasta. Right. See, now they're doing it in chat. They don't stop. And if you ever get in trouble, for whatever reason, a crow's not going to turn you in. Crows will ride or die. You need to wife up someone who's going to ride or die with you, right? Okay. Easy number 1. Second one. Hypothetically, you would fuck a rooster, right? Why? Why would you fuck a rooster? Well, you would because they've got the gobbler thing. They've got the fucking, they've got the hair pulled back in a ponytail ready to penetrate. Right? They've got the comb, the pompadour. Or as some people like to call it, a handle. Right? And then what are you left with, right? I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it, right? But one of them has to be killed, and that's the bluebird. Right? Boring. Nothing. Adds nothing to society. Literally just hangs out. Doesn't do anything. I need some birds with some spice. I need some birds with a little flair, with a little pizzazz. It's called preening for a reason. And a bluebird doesn't give me that, right? So fucking kill him. Back to the art.